Hello student, good morning to everybody. My name is Lokus Kumar Prajapati and in this video I will solve exercise 7.3 onward question number 8. Okay, so we have how many words with or without meaning can be formed using all letters of the word equation, using each letter exactly once. Okay, so we have a word equation and we have to ask how many words with or without meaning can be formed by using letters of the word. Okay, so this can be arranged. It's letters of the word. So here we have this word. We have total 8 distinct letter. Okay, total 8 distinct letter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 distinct letter can be arranged. Okay, taken all at a time. So this will be required words, required number of words equal to 8 P 8 or also factorial 8 means n distinct object arranged at n places when repetition is not allowed is factorial n. So therefore 8 distinct letters arranged at 8 distinct places equal to factorial 8. So now simplify. So this is factorial 8 equal to 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 which is 4 0 3 2 0. Okay, so we have total number of words equal to 40320. This is simplified. Now move to the question number 9 of same exercise. We have how many words with or without meaning can be made from the letter of the words Monday. Okay, assuming that no letters is repeated, if 4 letters are used at a time. First we have to find taking 4 letters at a time, and second all letters are used at a time, and third all letters are used but first letter is vowels. Okay, so given the words Monday, so total we have total 1 2 3 4 5 6 letters. Okay, we have total 6 letters of the word Monday. So the first part is the required words. Required words equal to, in first taken 4 letters are used at a time. So this is total 1 2 3 4 5 6 3 4. Okay, so this can be arranged by taking 6 letters. We have to arrange by taking 4 letters out of 6 equal to 6 3 4. Now simplify this. So this will be factorial 6 1 factorial 6 times 4 equal to factorial 6 after multiplication we will get 320. Okay, 360, sorry, this is 360. Okay, 360 the required words, the first part. And second all letters used at a time. So we have total 6 letters of the word. As we know, if the total number of permutation and distinct object taken all at a time is equal to factorial 1. So here goes 8 letters arranged at by taking all. Total we have 6 letters arranged taking all at a time. So this will be 6 T6 are factorial 6. Now simplify this. So this is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is equal to 6,000. After multiplication we will get 720. So this total required words using all letter at time equal to 720. Okay, and third we have to find all total words taking all letter are used but first letter is vowels. Okay, so total we have 6 letters. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so here we have 2 vowels. Okay, O A. Third, vowels equal to O and A. So here we have to ask all letters are used but first letter is vowels. So here this is filled by vowels, first letter. So we have 2 vowels O R A. So this is the 2 way to fill up this. Okay. After fill it first places either O R A. We are left 1 2 3 4 5 letters. Okay, left 5 letters. So 5 letters arranged at 5 places factorial 5 way. Okay, so the required total word equal to factorial 5 into 2. By the fundamental principle of multiplication, you multiply 2 by factorial 5. So this is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 2. This is 526 and 4 240. Okay, so total required words of the by using letter of the word Monday equal to 240 when first letter which start with vowels. So this is the answer. Okay, further to the question number 10. How many of the distinct permutation of the letters in the Mississippi? Okay, MISSISSIPPI do the core letter core I not come together. Okay, so here we can see where letter are repeated. So how we can arrange such type of letters? As we know, when letter are distant, we have learn how to arrange. Okay, so but when a cases the letters are repeated, object means repeated, then how we can arrange? So let us explain now. The number of permutation, the number of permutation, if number of permutation of n object, number of permutation of n object when object P is same kind and rest all different equal to factorial n and we divide by same object. Okay, so this is the case to arrange the given object or word when object are not different. So in this case, this is factorial n and divide the same kind of object factorial. Okay, so here we have total object n and out of n we have p is same kind. So the permutation is done by arrangement is done by factorial n upon factorial p. Okay, so this problem is based on this condition here. So we have MIS, so we have total I equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 I and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 S equal to 4 and P equal to 2. Okay, so we have letter of the word in this word. S equal to 4, I equal to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and S equal to also 4 and P equal to 2. And total letter of the words 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So first I will find the total number of words by using the letter of the word. So this will be total number of words by using 11 letters of the word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is factorial 11. Okay. And we have 4 letters same kind, means I, and again S 4 letter same kind, and P 2 letter are same kind. So we divide factorial 4 into factorial 4 into and factorial 2. Okay, and now simplify this. So this will be 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into factorial 4 upon factorial 4 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 factorial 2 into 1. Here we can cancel factorial. And after simplification we will get 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 5, 0. Okay, this is the total number of the words can be arranged by using letter of the words of this word. Okay, and second, so this is the total number of word, and here we have to ask find the total number of word for I not come together. Okay, for I not come together. So first I will find the total number of words when I come together. Total number of word when for I come together. This will be done by, okay, suppose this is 4I, 1 2 3, and this 4I suppose a single letter. Okay, so total letters of this word is 11. Okay, and 11 minus 4 is 7, and this consider a single letter which we are left then M. Okay, I explain here. Okay, this is done here. M and double S again S and this P. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and this 8. So 8 letter. So this is factorial 8. Okay, and here we have 4 yes, same kind. So divide by factorial 4 and 2p same kind. So divide by factorial 2, and after simplification this we will get total required number equal to 840. Okay, so this is the total number of words when I come together. Then now here we have to find total number of words I not come together. So this will be find out by subtracting this from this. So total required tens required number of word when for I come together equal to, this is 3 4 6 5 0 minus 8 4 0 is equal to 0 1 8 3 8 1 10. Okay, so this is the answer of this question. 33810 is the total number of the words when I not come together. Further move to the question number 11. In how many ways can the letters of the word permutations be arranged if the word start with P and end with S? Okay, so the total letter of the permutation word is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, so we have total 12 letters, and we have to find in first the word start with P and end with S. So this P and S are fixed. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then we are left 10 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, then this can be arranged. This is factorial 10 upon and where T and T are same kind, so we divided by factorial 2, and after simplification we will get 1, 8, 1, 4, 1, 8, 1, 4, 4, 4, 4, 0. Okay, this is the required number of words. We will start with P and end with S. And second, vowels are all together. So we have vowels E, U, A, I, O. 5 vowels. Okay. So for second, these vowels A, E, I, O, U. Consider a single letters. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 vowels and total 12 letters in the word. 12 minus 5, 7. 7 letters are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this letter vowels is considered a single letter. Then we have total 8 letters. Now 8 letters will be arranged by factorial 8. Okay, and we have two letters with T at same time, so divided by factorial 2, and these vowels also can be arranged. So here are total 5 vowels at 5 places arranged factorial 5, and after simplification we will get 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 9, 2, 4, 1, 9, 2, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0. Okay. And third, here are always 4 letters between T and S. Okay. So for the third, okay, I will do here. Given here are 4 letters always P and S, between P 1, 2, 3, 4, yes. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 on the forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we are 10 letter orange in factorial 10 way, and we have 2 letter T at the same kind, so we divided by 2. Okay, and also this P and S also be arranged, so this is multiplied by 2 way for arranging P and S. Okay, and this also, if P is first places, if P is first, then S is 6, means if 1 is first, then P is on, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, then S is 6, this is 2, 7, 8, 3, then 8 and 4, then 9, 5, then 10, 11, 6, then 11 and 11, this is 7, then 12 and 8, then 13. So there are only 12 letters. So we are arranging this PS also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, total 7. So after multiplication we will get total required word equal to 2, 5, 4, 0, 4, 0, 1, 6, 0, 0. Okay, 2, 5, 4, 0, 1, 6, 0, 0. This is the required letter.